Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your Android version and freeing at least 1 GB of space. Minecraft often crashes when storage is low. Next, back up your worlds by copying the COM. Mojang/Minecraft Worlds folder to cloud or local storage so you never lose progress. Once done, close heavy background apps and reboot the device to clear memory and stop runaway processes. This reduces immediate conflicts and sets a clean state for the next troubleshooting steps. You should force stop Minecraft, then clear the cache. If crashes persist, clear app data. This resets corrupt settings, but you kept your world backup. After that, update Minecraft from the Play Store to get crash fixes. Make sure both the app and Google Play services are current. If you use mods or heavy resource packs, remove them now because incompatible add-ons are common crash culprits. Once these changes are applied, relaunch the game and observe stability before moving to advanced fixes. If crashes continue, uninstall and reinstall Minecraft, then restore your backed up worlds to avoid data loss. You should also monitor device temperature and close CPU or GPU-heavy apps because thermal throttling can cause sudden exits. If the game produces crash logs or error codes, write them down. Those codes point to specific causes like memory or rendering issues and guide targeted fixes. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle Android developer options back.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.